Naughties, this is Queen Naughty coming to you with another wig review. Yes, check this unit out. This unit is called Bohemian Long. She's a natural curly looking synthetic unit, and she is extra long, and she's really pretty. I have her Naughties in a color number 2, and this is the package she came out of. And she's really long, but I must say I trimmed her. She's really long. I mean, she's really would be down my back, but I just wanted to let you see how she is. She's lightweighted, and oh, I must add that she is a half unit, and she does not have any baby hair. She does not have a lace front. She's simply a half wig. So and she's snug, and the specs, I would say I brought this unit several times before in different colors. I think I purchased it in a 1B33 or 427. They have various colors of this unit, but she's really nice. I continue to purchase this unit because she's very light and fluffy and low maintenance. And one thing I noticed about Bohemian Long Naughty is that the more you wear her, the more natural she becomes. The little curls are like little wavy curls. I wouldn't describe it as being spiraled, but it becomes very natural. I wouldn't suggest that you brush this unit. It's a synthetic fiber unit, and it'll probably become really bushy and poofy, but she's nice. It's just one of your go-to units, especially now everyone is very much locked in and you're not going anywhere too far, so you want to throw on something real quick. This is the unit. She has combs in the back. She's very snug, and I'll turn around in the back and let you see how she's laying in the back. She's very full. You don't need to put any products on this unit. She's really, if you have a wig head or a wig block, that's just fine. But she's nice. Even you can pack her back if you have a unit bag. But she's very nice, and she's, again, is a go-to unit. My earrings of today, yes, Naughty. My earrings of the day are these crochet earrings. They're crochet, they're green and black. Yes, they're really nice. They're really light. They're lightweight earrings. They're crocheted, and they're olive green and black around. And you know I love my earrings, Naughties. My crochet earrings. And yeah, so there you have it. So Bohemian Long, and she is very long, but I trimmed her down. If you like this unit, you may purchase her from Elevated Styles. And don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. This is Queen Naughty coming to you with another quick wig reviews. See you later, Naughty. See you on my next video. Stay safe, stay inside. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.